So you could easily, when you have an Etsy store, make it look professional and good without actually having to hire a graphic designer or learning any of the tools yourself to do. You can, this pack here is already made and it's an Etsy shop kit that's already done for you. So you can start by downloading. Once it's finished downloaded, we'll be given a file, PDF file. We click the PDF file, and now we have the file open, and we can choose any of these to click on. Now it's open, and we can just click the new template for it to open again. Here we can customize it to however you want, change the color, move the images, and then download. Once you've done that, you can just go here to share, download, and then click either JPEG or PNG to download.